How to engage in productive conflict. The we versus me rule. Conflict is inevitable. Most people treat conflict as a negotiation where one person must win and the other must lose. This approach guarantees emotional damage and long-term resentment. The goal of a healthy partnership is not to eliminate conflict. It is to engage in productive conflict, a discussion where the relationship itself always wins. The fundamental shift is moving from me versus you to we versus the problem. This reframing instantly turns hostility into collaboration. Productive conflict operates on the common enemy principle. You and your partner, spouse, colleague, co-founder, are not the enemies. The enemy is the problem, the miscommunication, the missed deadline, the financial error. The moment you can name the problem as the external enemy, you stop attacking the person and start collaborating on a solution. This requires a verbal commitment to the we versus me rule. Before you begin the discussion, you must both agree we are on the same team. Our goal is to fix the system, not assign blame. The most powerful tool in productive conflict is restatement. When your partner presents their issue, you do not immediately defend yourself. You stop, actively listen, and then restate their position in a neutral, non-judgmental way. Restatement achieves two things. It validates your partner's emotion, de-escalating the fight, and it ensures you are solving the actual problem, not a misunderstanding. Let's look at two scenarios where the shift to we versus the problem saved the relationship.
Case study 1, the late partner. A spouse was constantly angry because his partner was always late, viewing it as a lack of respect. When they adopted the we versus the problem rule, the partner was able to admit the problem wasn't respect, but deep anxiety about leaving the house. They stopped fighting about respect and started collaborating on the anxiety. Case study 2, the budget fight. Instead of arguing about who was right, they wrote the risky investment on a whiteboard and spent 30 minutes attacking the idea, the problem, with data instead of attacking each other. The collaboration led to a third, superior option neither had considered alone. Conflict is not the end, it's the opportunity for growth. Learn to fight productively. Here is your 3-step plan for productive conflict. 1. Verbally state the rule. Before beginning the discussion, say, "We are on the same team. We are fighting the problem." 2. Practice the 80-20 listening rule. For the first 80% of the conversation, your only job is to listen and ask clarifying questions. Your defense comes last. 3. Propose a next step, not a solution. Fight the problem, not the person.
Conflict is inevitable, but emotional damage is optional. The moment you commit to the we versus the problem rule, you instantly turn hostility into collaboration. Your goal is not to win the argument. Your goal is to ensure the relationship always wins. Your immediate action step is to verbally state the rule. The next time a difficult discussion arises, start by saying, "We are on the same team. We are fighting the problem." If you're ready to transform your arguments into opportunities for growth, hit the like button, subscribe for strategies that strengthen your partnerships, and click the notification bell to join a community building resilient, high-trust relationships. Fight the problem, not the person.